Hello and welcome to this episode of Learn with EAE. Today we're taking a closer look at busbar systems. A busbar system is made up of metal conductor bars housed within a protective enclosure. Its primary function is to transmit electrical power from one point to another, much like a cable. Energy can be tapped from any point, whether it's from panel to panel or via tap-off units. Thanks to its modular design, the system easily adapts to various layout configurations and can be effortlessly expanded to meet future demands. It delivers power with minimal loss and offers a much safer alternative to traditional cabling. Busbar systems are available in a wide range of current ratings, from 25 to 6,300 amperes. This makes them suitable for everything from workshop lighting and machinery supply to use in high-rise buildings and large industrial facilities. See you in the next episode with a brand new topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.